Arrive in style with this 2013 Chrysler 200 Series Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger vanity mirror, ABS, climate control, AC, rear bench seat, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, and driver illuminated vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.